like for example, I know someone in the questions mentioned upstate New York. Here's one that was picked up. This was actually an on-market deal, and so 90% of the purchase was covered by a lender, 100% of the rehab, and it started out they're looking at it as just a simple cosmetic flip. Once they opened the walls, they realized it had full height ceilings up in the upstairs, and so they actually converted the attic into a legal bedroom as well, and increased the value on the property even more. And then once it's turned around, that's the before, that's the after. They did some scope of work, had new kitchens and bathrooms, flooring, paint, landscaping, mechanicals, and then that bedroom addition. Their total investment was about 290,000. But at the end of the day, they sold that property and made $147,524 on a single deal. And their return on investment was about 36.9%.